Osmanthus is a flowering plant that is cultivated in East Asia. It has a recognizable, complex, rich, sweet aroma and is often used in fine perfumes and fragrance products. The pure Osmanthus Absolute is diluted in a base of fractionated coconut oil to create Osmanthus Touch, a convenient and incredibly easy way to enjoy its benefits. To help experience a soothing atmosphere, apply Osmanthus Touch before meditation or yoga, or use it as part of a full body massage after a long day. One of the most popular ways to use Osmanthus Touch is by layering aromas. Combine with frankincense, jasmine and lime for an enchanting personal fragrance. With so many properties, Osmanthus Touch is a must-have for any essential oil lover.